Hey guys, today I was cleaning some things in my studio and I came across this piece of work, which was a demo piece for one of my workshops, and I feel like it has some good things going on. It had some gold leafing, some collage, some powdered pigments, some stencil work, and mark making, and this was probably done with an R&F oil stick. So I am going to add some more layers today, add some more color, and just see how far we can push this piece. So thanks for joining me in the studio. Let's start painting. have added some different things on top of all the other elements that I had going on, and I didn't want to completely lose all of those things, but just to allow them to shine a little bit but also be pushed back a little bit. And I just enrichened the color to make some of these areas a little more rich and vibrant, and kept some of the collage and the gold leafing. And I used the gamsol because I had lost this mark making, and I really wanted to retain some of that. And so by just adding a few touches to an older piece with good bones and good structure from the beginning, I'm pretty happy with this piece at this point. So I will look at it for a few days, and it may be finished, and I may come back and add more to it later on. But I'm happy with today's session and really bringing this color back to life on this older piece. So thanks for joining me, everyone, and until next time.